Hey Howard, this is Jack Arnold with your daily words of wisdom. At Howard Middle School, we believe in the power of courage and the importance of seizing opportunities. Take risks and be bold. It's a simple yet profound truth that resonates deeply with us, because when we look back on our lives, it's not the risks we took that we regret, but the chances we didn't take. So, as you navigate through your life's journey, remember to embrace uncertainty, step out of your comfort zone, and pursue your dreams with determination. Take risks, be bold, live boldly to chase after your aspirations fearlessly, and to create a future filled with no regrets. Go Bulls!
Good morning, Howard Middle School. This is Mrs. Parker on this marvelous Monday. It's been a long time since I've had the opportunity to talk to you on the halftime show. I'm excited to share a lot of student successes with you that went by without me being able to tell you about them, but really want to talk to you also about this Wednesday. This Wednesday is state ELA testing. It is an incredibly important day. We need everyone to be here. We need you to eat breakfast and be ready for the test. And most importantly, we need you to do your absolute best on the test. Persevere. That means never giving up. You got to read through all those reading sections and do your best to understand and answer the questions. If you are present for every testing day, which includes ELA, math, civics, and science, we have a special event planned for you at the end of the year. So it's going to be a social event where you're going to get to go and participate, and that your entry into that event is dependent on your attendance for the testing days. The first one is coming up on Wednesday, but also your dedication to the task. So please make sure you're there and you try your best and you don't just try to Christmas tree the test. Now, that's ELA on Wednesday. Tomorrow you can wear camouflage because you're going to conquer that test as we amp up to get ready for the test. And on Wednesday we have Team Sports Day, so wearing your shirt or your jersey that most represents the team that you like to support the best, which of course I will be supporting the Georgia Bulldogs because they're the best. Now, all the student accomplishments that I missed over the last week or so. First of all, I want to start off with Adja Gouda, whose artwork was showcased in the Superintendent's Art Show last week. Congratulations, Adja. The Earth Fest Fashion Show, which you guys all knew was coming because we talked about that. Well, we have the results. And in second place was a design called Barbie Summer. And the students on that team were Sophia Salinas and Erica, I can't read my own handwriting, Felice. And in first place, Under the Sea, the design team of Jamira Sims, Rebecca Escalana, and Jamiri Wilkerson. These students not only made their own designs, but they also had to then model their designs. So Howard Middle School won first and second place. And we had our final chess match of the season. All the scores were tallied for an accumulation over the entire season. And in third place was Lee McKinney, second place Rishi Shah, and in first place Amal Sujith, who was our Howard Middle School chess champion for the 23-24 school year. So congratulations to all of you guys. Always proud of the amazing things going on at Howard. Thank you to Ms. Schuster for your amazing work in helping Adia get to the Superintendent's Art Festival, and for the Earth Fest Fashion Show, and Mr. Elmore for all the work you put into the chess club. Let's make it a great day, Howard. The choice is yours, and as always, go Bulls.
Hi everybody, this is Miss S from the Media Center. I just wanted to let everybody know that May 3rd, which is coming up in a month, is going to be the very last day you can check out books from the library. If you have books that you need to return, you can still return your books past that date, but the last day to actually check out books is May 3rd. And also, if you happen to have any books that are from another school, and I know who you are, please remember to return them so that I can send them back to the other schools so other people can get to them, okay? And just remember that I will always be open through the month of May. If you have stuff that you need to return it until the very last day of school. I do not mind. Thank you so much, everybody, and go Bulls.
Hey Bulls!
We're your student council representatives.
8th graders, the 8th grade dance is coming soon.
The date of the dance is on May 4th. Did you know there would be a DJ?
And a 360 photo booth.
Also, Chipotle and Chick-fil-A will be catering.
And other refreshments and snacks will also be provided.
This is a reminder to pay for your dance ticket if you have not already.
You'll be able to pay through RevTrack.
The dance ticket price for this year is $30. Well, Howard, that's all the news we have for you today. And as always,
Go Bulls!
Attention, track members. Your meeting will be held today in Building 2, Room 3. Don't be late. Go Bulls.